If you've been trading for less than 2 years and you're losing money consistently, I can tell you exactly why with 90% certainty. It's not your strategy, it's not the market, it's not bad luck, it's one single thing. And once I show you what it is, you won't be able to unsee it. Most beginner traders have what I call a strategy without a system. They watch YouTube videos, learn chart patterns, maybe even pick decent entries, but they have absolutely zero structure around their trading. No journal, no risk rules written down, no review process. They just open their broker app, look at a chart and make a decision based on vibes. Here's what happens without a system. You make a good trade, you feel confident, you increase your position size. You make a bad trade, you feel emotional, you revenge trade to get it back. You have a losing week. You have no idea why because you never wrote anything down. Sound familiar? This is the loop that keeps 90% of traders stuck. The fix is embarrassingly simple. You need to treat trading like a business, not a casino. Every business has records. Every business tracks performance. Every business has rules. Your trading needs the same thing. A journal that logs every trade. A risk calculator that tells you position size before you enter. A weekly review that forces you to learn from every single week. This is exactly why I built Finanzas in Notion. It's a complete operating system for beginner traders. 5 pages that cover everything. Your trade journal tracks every entry, exit, P&L and emotion. Your risk calculator tells you exact position size based on your account and risk percentage. Your investment dashboard tracks your whole portfolio. Your budget tracker protects your trading capital. And your weekly review builds the self-awareness that separates profitable traders from everyone else. Since I started using this system, my win rate went from random to consistent. Not because my analysis got better overnight, but because I stopped making the same emotional mistakes over and over. The journal showed me patterns I couldn't see before. The risk calculator stopped me from overtrading. The weekly review made me honest with myself. The template is available right now, link in the description. One-time payment of $27. Yours forever. Works on desktop and mobile. If you're serious about becoming a consistently profitable trader, stop trading on vibes and start trading with a system. See you in the next one.